Hi everyone, my name is Mrs. Nair and I'm one of the kindergarten teachers here at Harry Sayers, and we're so excited to have you coming to our school in the fall. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about your Kinder Kit. Here are all the things that are going to be in your Kinder Kit. There's a coloring book for you to practice your coloring skills and fine motor skills and creativity. There's a storybook for you to read with mom or dad or a grown-up. And while you're reading about the story, make sure you're asking lots of questions. There's also a small puzzle for you to play with. Puzzles are really good for your brain and your thinking skills. And this one's really cute too. There's some construction paper also to help you with your creativity. There's also activity books that are in English and Punjabi for those who need it, that give you lots of fun activities to do with your Kinder Kit. And there's a big basket of fun goodies for you, stuff like cards and chalk and counters and crayons, all kinds of things that you will be using in your Kinder Kit. And make sure you keep your Kinder Kit in a safe place that you'll remember where it is so you can keep using it again and again. And if you run out of things like your crayons or glue, if they run out, then please buy a new one to replace it, because you will be using these Kinder Kits in kindergarten again and again. So keep using the activities and doing all of them, but make sure you replenish it if it does get empty. And remember, keep it in a safe spot and have lots of fun with it. Bye.